Yeah. Listen, no, my heart still remember all the words where you tell me. You said forever, but forever was just a lie. Oh Lord, you broke the promise you made. I remember the night under the moonlight glow, when you hold me hand and say you're not gonna go. You're looking at me eyes and promise me love. Say me are the only one sent from above. Me believed every word would come from your mouth. Never thought your love could turn so cold, no. Me give you me heart, me give you me soul, but you left me standing in the rain alone. My friends them tell me, girl, open your eyes, but love had me blind to all the signs. Me was fighting for something that wasn't true, while you was busy breaking what we built together too. Oh, I know me crying in silence, trying to find peace after all the violence. Not with fists, but with words and betrayal. A broken heart is a heavy burden to carry. You broke the promise you made, left me heart in pieces on the ground where it lay. You said forever, but forever fade away. Now me dancing through the tears every night and day. You broke the promise you made, took my love and throw it away. But me strong, me rise again, even after the pain. Oh no, you broke the promise you made. Remember the mornings when we laughed together, talking about dreams and staying forever, building a future, planting our seed, thinking your love was all me need. But behind my back you had another story, while me was giving you all of my glory. My heart was honest, my intentions were clean, but you destroyed the love that could have been. It's a baby, trust me, me not ever leave, but empty words were all you give to me. No, me see clearly through the tears will fall. Some people promise everything and give nothing at all. Me now all yes inside my chest, cause I know me deserve the best. I forgive, but me won't forget the lesson you teach me, me never regret. Oh, you broke the promise you made, left me heart in the pieces on the ground where it lay. You said forever, but forever fade away. Now me dancing through the tears every night and day. You broke the promise you made, took my love and throw it away. But me strong, me rise again, even after the pain. Oh no, you broke the promise you made. Listen me now, me not the same girl I used to know. Me went through fire, but me learn how to grow. Every scar on me heart tell a story. Every tear turn into strength and glory. Me used to ask why you do me so, why you let true love go. But just show me sometimes a closed door is a blessing waiting on the other shore. So me pack up the memories and send them away. No more crying for somebody who couldn't stay. Me not beg love, me not chase nobody. Me know my worth and me know my body. Oh, if you ever remember me now, remember the love where me gave. Remember the nights when me stood by your side, even when storms were coming like a rising tide. But now me free, my spirit free. No more chains holding me destiny. Child, heart where you break and turn my tears into strength again. No more walk with a smile on my face, finding happiness in a brand new place. No more shadows, no more pain. You see sunshine after the rain. You lost someone who loved you true, someone who would have stayed right through. But life move on, seasons change, and me know broke the promise you made. But me, I'll still be today. Yeah, some promises are spoken, but not all I kept. Me forgive, but me remember to guide me through every storm. You broke the promise you made, but me found myself again. Under the palm tree, where the ocean breeze blow, me hide my tears where nobody know. Oh Jah, only you know how me feel inside. I used to sit beneath the palm trees alone, watching the sunset while my heart turned to stone. The same place where you whisper forever to me. No, only memories keep company. You hold me close and call me your queen. Promise me love like a dream scene. Me never thought you could walk away, leaving broken pieces where we used to stay. Me gave you love pure like the morning sun. Never believed our journey would be done. But sometimes the person you trust the most can become the one you were too close. And every night when the moon shine bright, me wonder how love could lose its light. But you tell me that I don't cry forever. Storms will pass and you'll get better. I shed tears beneath the palm trees, where you once promised to stay with me. Ocean carry away my pain, wash away the memories in the rain. Tears beneath the palm trees, nobody see the hurt inside of me. But I know one day I'll smile again, after the heartache and the pain. Oh yeah, tears beneath the palm trees. Me remember the songs we used to sing, the little moments that meant everything. Walking barefoot along the shore, thinking love would last forevermore. But it changed like the weather changed, turned sweet love into something strange. Me asking myself, where did we go wrong? How did a beautiful story lose its song? Me hear your name when the wind pass by, feel old memories underneath this sky. But me nah let sorrow take control, Jah healing every piece of me soul. Cause I learn every broken heart can mend, every last love has a new beginning. No matter how deep the ocean may be, there is still a brighter future waiting for me. I shed tears beneath the palm trees, where you once promised to stay with me. Ocean carry away my pain, wash away the memories in the rain. Tears beneath the palm trees, nobody see the hurt inside of me. But I know one day I'll smile again, after the heartache and the pain. Listen up, me not angry, me just had to learn. Some bridges break, some pages turn, some people come for a season only. Even when you love them deeply, me carry the picture inside me heart, even when we were falling apart. But now me letting go slowly, finding the woman I used to be. Me dance with the waves, I breathe with the sea, finding back the lost parts of me. No more begging somebody to stay, who already chose to walk away. Oh Jah, take these tears from my eyes, turn my pain into paradise. Every scar, every memory is a lesson that set me free. I cried beneath the palm trees, but now I stand beneath the sun. A new chapter has begun. Now when the morning light touch my face, I feel peace taking its place. The same palm trees that Me cry, me heal, me rise again. Jah know my heart, and Jah know my name. Listen me now. Listen me now. Some memories never really fade. Some love leave a mark that time can't erase. Oh Jah, the love you left behind still whisper in my mind. I remember the days when we walked by the sea. You hold me hand and say you belong to me. Under the stars beneath the moonlight sky, you promised forever, but you said goodbye. Me gave you my heart without hesitation. Built our dreams with pure dedication. Never thought the love we created so strong would become a memory before too long. Now I sit where we used to laugh and smile, thinking about you after all this while. The place still feels like you are near, but only silence answers my tears. Oh, I tried to forget the past, tried to move on and make it last, but some love leave a shadow behind, and some memories stay on your mind. The love you left behind still lives somewhere inside my heart tonight. Though you're gone and walked away, I still remember every word you say. The love you left behind was a treasure I thought I would always find, but now I'm learning how to let it go and find my strength beneath the sorrow. Oh yeah, the love you left behind. Me hear your voice when the night breeze blows, like an old song from long ago. Every corner got a story to tell of a love that rise and fell. Me wonder if you ever think of me, or remember how we used to be. Did you forget all the promises made, all the memories that we created? Me was there when you needed a shoulder, stayed beside you when life got colder. But when my heart needed you the most, you disappeared like a drifting ghost. But Jah teach me something about pain. After every storm comes sunshine again. A broken heart can learn to be, a lost soul can find its feet. The love you left behind still lives somewhere inside me heart tonight. Though you're gone and walked away, I still remember every word you say. The love you left behind was a treasure I thought I would always find, but now I'm learning how to let it go and find my strength beneath the sorrow. Listen me now, I'm not angry, I'm just wiser today. I understand some people drift away, some come into your life like a song, teach you something then move along. Me used to cry when I called your name, wondering why love brought so much pain. But now I see with clearer eyes, not every goodbye is a surprise. You left memories, you left tears, you left lessons through all these years. And though the scars may take some time, I'm healing slowly, I'll be fine. Oh Jah, hear my prayer tonight, take away this heavy heart inside. I release what I cannot change, I forgive, I walk away. The love you left behind won't control my life. I found a new sunrise after the darkest night. Now I dance where I used to cry, looking at a brighter sky. The same heart you thought was broken now has a brand new song spoken. I found peace in my own way, I found strength in every day. Thank you for the memories we made, even the ones that caused me pain. Because every tear that fell before opened a different door, and the yesterday behind. Oh yeah, the love you left behind. I'm gonna be alright. Yeah. Some love stays in memory. Some love teaches us to grow. The love you left behind. Help me find my way home. Oh, I yeah. Me here is still, even when the night gets quiet. The words you told me, the promises you made, still echoing on me heart, oh Jah. I remember the days when you called me in, say your love would never change. You're looking at me eyes and swear on everything. Say me was the queen of your heart, yeah, everything. Me trusted you with every piece of me. Open doors nobody else could see. Me gave your love pure like morning light. Stayed by your side through every fight. But behind those smiles and sweet talking ways, you was hiding truth in all the shadows and haze. Me was building dreams with an honest heart, while you were slowly tearing them apart. Oh, Jah know me tried. How many tears me had to hide. I searched for answers in the dark, trying to heal this broken heart. Your lies still echo in my heart, like a broken song that won't depart. Every word you said, every promise you gave, still dancing like a memory I can't erase. Your lies still echo in my heart, but I'm finding strength to make a new start. You may have hurt me, you may have walked away, but my spirit rise stronger every day. Oh yeah, your lies still echo in my heart. Me remember when you said, trust me girl, promise me love against the whole world. But trust is like glass when it fall on stone, hard to fix when the damage is shown. Me gave you chances, me gave you time, tried to believe every beautiful lie. But love cannot grow where truth don't live. A heart can't survive with nothing to give. No, the memories come like a midnight rain, bringing back old feelings and old pain. But me wipe my tears and look to the sky, knowing Jah never leave my side. Because every storm that comes my way only makes me stronger each day. I lost a love that wasn't true, but I found the strength inside me too. Your lies still echo in my heart, like a broken song that won't depart. Every word you said, every promise you gave, still dancing like a memory I can't erase. Your lies still echo in my heart, but I'm finding strength to make a new start. You may have hurt me, you may have walked away, but my spirit rise stronger every day. Listen now, me used to wonder if I wasn't enough, if maybe I didn't deserve true love. But Jah showed me something clear and bright. Sometimes people lose a diamond in the night. I'm not the tears that fell from my eyes, I'm not the pain from your disguise. I am the woman who survived the rain and turned every scar into strength again. So keep your excuses, keep your lies. Now see the truth with open eyes. No more chasing what was never real, no more hiding the way I feel. Oh Jah, take this weight from my soul. Help me release beauty inside my heart's place. One day I may remember my name, remember the love before the shame. But by then I'll be far away, living a brighter, better day. No more tears beneath the moon, no more singing a lonely tune. I found peace, I found my way, and I'm stronger than yesterday. Your lies still echo in my heart, but they don't control who I am anymore. Every tear you caused, every scar you made, built the woman standing here today. Your lies still echo in my heart, but I'm healing, I'm ready for a brand new start. You broke the promise, you broke the trust, but I restore what was lost. Oh yeah, your lies still echo in my heart, but I'm finally free. Yeah, some words leave scars, some pain leaves lessons, but the heart that survives the storm will always find the sun again. Listen, me know, me give you everything, me give you love, but all you give me was pain. Oh Jah, only you know me heart. I remember the days when you hold me close, tell me baby you're the one I love the most. You promised me stars, you promised me sky, said you would never leave my side. Me believed every word from your lips, never thought love could come with tricks. Me was liar, me was true, gave my whole heart completely to you. Me stood beside you when the road get rough, when life was hard and times were tough. Me never run, me never hide, me always keep you right by my side. But when I needed you to be there for me, you turn away and let me bleed silently. The love me planted with care and pride was the same love you left behind. Oh, Jah know how me cry at night, trying to understand what wasn't right. Me gave you trust, me gave you my soul, but you leave me heart out in the cold. I gave you my heart, you gave me pain. I gave you sunshine, you brought me rain. I gave you my love, you gave me scars. I gave you everything, you broke my heart apart. Oh no, I gave you my heart, you gave me pain. Me remember the promises under the moon, saying no, our love would never end too soon. You call me queen, you call me your dream, but no, those words don't mean what they seem. Me ignored the signs, me ignored the tears, held on tight through all the years. People tell me, girl, let it go, but true love hard, feel let it flow. Me fought for us when you stopped fighting, held on when the future stopped shining. But one heart cannot carry two, when only one person stays true. Me gave you chances more than enough, but empty promises cannot be love. Now me standing here finding my way, healing from yesterday. Me used to ask, what did I do? Why did love become so cruel? But Jah remind me every day, some things leave so we find a better way. I gave you my heart, you gave me pain. I gave you sunshine, you brought me rain. I gave you my love, you gave me scars. I gave you everything, you broke my heart apart. listen me now. Me not bitter, me just wiser today. I learned some people are blessings that fade away. You were a chapter, not my whole story. A lesson wrapped inside the memory. Me cried rivers, me lost sleep. Carried promises you couldn't keep. But look at me now, me still standing tall. Me survived the rise and the fall. The same heart you tried to break is the same heart I will remain. Me still have love, me still have life. Still believe in something right. Because one person's betrayal and pain can never stop the sunshine after rain. Oh, Jah, heal this heart of mine. Take away the hurt with time. Forgive what I cannot change. I release all the pain and shame. You took my love and walked away, but me found strength another day. Now me dance under the morning sun, knowing my healing has begun. No more tears for what is gone. Be ready for a brand new song. I don't regret the love me gave, because a pure heart is something brave. Even though you did me wrong, me still rise, me still strong. One day you might remember me, the love you lost, the loyalty. But me won't be waiting anymore. Me found peace beyond that door. I gave you my heart, but Jah gave me strength to smile again. I gave you my love, you gave me scars, but I found my light among the stars. Oh yeah, I gave you my heart, you gave me pain, but I found myself again. Yeah, my heart was broken, but my spirit never died. Some love teach lessons, some pain make you fly. Jah know me heart, and Jah know me name. Listen me now. Paradise look beautiful from far away, but even sunshine can hide the pain. Oh Jah, my wings were broken, but me still learn how to fly again. I was dancing under the island sun, thinking me found someone, I found the one. You showed me love like a paradise dream, sweetest words like a flowing stream. You promised me forever and I did. Said you would never walk away. Me built a home inside your heart. Never thought we'd fall apart. Me gave you trust, me gave you all. Stood beside you through every fall. But when the storm came over the sea, you turned around and abandoned me. No, I sit by the ocean shore, wondering what me was fighting for. A love that looked like paradise, but carried a hidden price. Oh, Jah know the tears me hide, the puts me fight deep inside. But every storm that comes my way only makes me stronger every day. I got broken wings over paradise, lost my way beneath beautiful skies. I thought your love would help me rise, but you left me falling from the heights. Broken wings over paradise, still I'm looking for a brand new sunrise. Even when my heart feels the pain, I know I will fly again. Oh yeah, broken wings over paradise. The palm trees still dance in the breeze, the waves still sing their melodies. But everything changed after you left. I was carrying a heart bereft. But remember the nights we laughed together, talking about staying forever and ever. Now those memories come like rain, bringing back old feelings of pain. But me not blame myself no more. I know what my heart was fighting for. I love with honesty, I love with truth. That was the beauty I carried from you. Some people come like a summer flame, warm your heart and leave a scar with their name. But Jah's a plan I cannot see, and every loss can set me free, because my spirit's still alive. Even after everything I survived, these broken pieces on the floor will become something stronger than before. I got broken wings over paradise, lost my way beneath beautiful skies. I thought your love would help me rise, but you left me falling from the heights. Broken wings over paradise, still I'm looking for a brand new sunrise. Even when my heart feels the pain, I know I will fly again. Listen me now. Me used to cry when I saw your face, remembering love I couldn't replace. But healing comes slowly like ocean tide, washing away what I kept inside. I'm not the woman you left behind. I found new strength, I found my mind. Every scar became a story to tell. Every struggle taught me how to excel. We don't need wings made out of lies. We got faith that will help me rise. No more begging for love to stay. If it's not real, let it fade away. Oh, Jah, take these broken wings, teach me how to sing again. I know the night can feel so long, but morning always brings a song. What was broken can be healed, what was lost can be revealed. Now I walk where the ocean meets the land, with a stronger heart and steady hands. The same paradise that saw me cry now watches me reach the sky. I found peace in my own soul. I found a missing piece that made me whole. You took my love, but you didn't take me. Jah restored the best part of me. So let the palm trees hear my voice, let the waves celebrate my choice. I survived the darkest night, and I'm ready for the light. I had broken wings over paradise, but I found my way back to life. The pain was deep, the road was long, but Jah gave me a brand new song. Broken wings over paradise, now I'm rising into brighter skies. No more tears, no more chains. I learned to dance through the rain. Oh, yeah. Broken wings over paradise. I'm finally free, I'm finally alive. Yeah. Paradise saw me fall, but paradise watched me rise. Broken wings can still learn to fly.